Well, just a quick question. When did you guys touch down?
Yesterday. They know it better than us.
Yeah, so how do you like Singapore?
It's been wonderful. It's been wonderful. You guys are great. I mean, it's a great city. It's really warm, very clean. It's very different from Seoul. It's really tropical and it's really nice out here. We really enjoy it.
But most important, you guys have the best crowd around here.
Make some noise.
Well, everyone here is a bit curious to find out. Have you tried the food in Singapore?
Yeah.
What's your favorite food?
Yesterday we had like carrot cake.
Carrot cake. Okay, how many of you guys here like carrot cake? After today, they all love carrot cake. And what do you like,
like
Peter?
you can never go wrong with laksa.
Laksa! And you, Sky?
I go for a drink, sugar cane.
Sugarcane juice! Alright, so now we know what they like and you know what you're going to be liking for a long, long time to come. And I know you guys, before you came to Singapore, you just won some award. Congratulations again.
Thank you.
Yeah. Would you like to share with them what's this award about and how do you feel getting here?
Wow, I mean, probably most of y'all, the first time even when we said we're coming to Singapore, I'm pretty sure you guys were surprised, right? Well, as much as you guys were surprised, we were surprised too. We're just happy to be here.